So I'm David Llamas. So innovation has always been at the core of Central's DNA. Back in December 2020, we launched the first Omnichannel app in Southeast Asia. We have since then launched a number of Omnichannel services across our stores and web and apps, as well as what we call new sales channels, which are other communication channels with customers. From a technology standpoint, we have reset our technology architecture, in order to support Omnichannel, with the introduction of a customer data platform, providing us with a single view of our customers and the ability to interact with them in real time. We have also introduced other architectural benefits, such as the implementation of a new order management system that gives us an omni-channel view of the stock across all of our entities. We want to be where our customers are. So we want to make sure that we are there for them in the best way they choose to interact with us. As such, we launch a number of services. Not only consumers can interact in our stores, we can interact with our web and apps, also with new sales channels like Line, for example, personal shopping services, as well as some new services, omnichannel services that we've deployed in the last few years. So not only from a delivery point of view, but also from a payments perspective, we've launched many different options for the customer. Obviously, credit cards, debit cards, QR codes, bank transfers, virtual wallets. These are type of payments that we offer both online and in stores. We also offer payment facilities such as buy now, pay later, and any other type of financial service that is convenient to our customers. We are advocates of personalization. We want to make sure that we cater for specific customer requirements. And so from that perspective, we really want to tailor our offer. Tailoring our offer is sometimes not very easy because there is an operational efficiency that you lose when you're trying to personalize for every single customer. What we do is we try to optimize our inventory, our assortment, our buying processes in order to cater for different types of customers and their needs, and making sure that we have the best performance of our range and also end up with the least obsolescence in terms of stock. The use of data and AI is critical to the evolution of how we optimize supply chain and demand forecasting processes. We have now different models that allows us to manage vast amount of data using machine learning. For example, not only looking at traditional methods like store allocation, store clustering and so on, but also by geolocation and by customer profile. By combining all of these parameters, we can make sure that the demand forecasting is more accurate, optimizing and matching supply chain with consumer demand. Payment services, in addition to delivery services, is one strategic area for digital. We have been investing in the past in digital wallets. We used to have Dolphin Wallet, and we want to expand the presence of digital payment methods and convenient for the customer in terms of not only payments, but also how and when they choose to pay. This is an area that we're looking to explore further in terms of innovation to create more products around finance and payment services. I think e-tail is a very thrilling event. It's very focused on e-commerce and digital marketing, and it's great to see a lot of companies, both pure players as well as retailers in this event, sharing their experiences and making sure that we know and learn from each other in terms of what consumers want and what initiatives they have on their pipeline. It's always a great opportunity to learn more about what's happening in the digital world.